Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Monday, April 27th. We have a new distance learning board for the week, so I just want to go over some brief changes, hopefully for the better. Up at the top, you'll see the same. We still have our links for each day of the week. We still have Miss Sampson's daily announcements, the optional calendar for the kids. We still have links for your reading resources, math, brain pop, some movement breaks. Miss Sarah has a new mindfulness lesson for the week, so you can check in with that anytime. And then we have our handwriting pages, which I did notice last week that some of you are using, and that's great. And then also something fun this week when we attempt our second Google Meet, we are going to do it as sports stars. So you are invited to wear your favorite sports gear, jersey, uniform. It could be your favorite team or one that you've played on. And we will share and show on our Google Meet on Wednesday morning. So looking at our learning goals for Monday today, in math, we're going to skip count by tens. And then you're going to do some workbook pages and then see if you and mom and dad can find some dimes. Did you know that dimes are worth 10 cents? So you can practice counting them by 10. Then in reading, we're starting a brand new unit. It's needs and wants. And so you're going to do day 1 of the read aloud in comprehension. There's some extra resources here just for you to check out when you want to. You don't have to, but they're there. You'll do phonics day 1 and a seesaw activity. You always have choices for reading fluency. Word work is ball words, and then we have a new chapter in Magic Tree House today. For writing, you're going to have the optional Easy Write practice, and in your journal, you're going to write about something that you need at home. Okay, so something you need at home. And then this week for Science, Health, and Social, we are going to focus on farm animals. And so there is a fun story called Hogwash, and we'll actually be listening to it tomorrow, but this is our introduction to that. And then each day, the kindergarten teachers and I have created some fun activities related or around a certain animal. So today's animal is pigs. We're going to learn all about pigs. And then there is a pig puppet that you can make completely optional. One new thing I wanted to show you in this week's board is I have moved our specialists from over here to the left-hand side, and then I just did like we would at school, like our normal schedule. So today would have been like a gym and music day, and then if you scroll down, you'll see Tuesday is gym and music, Wednesday is gym and music, and then Thursday would be art, and Friday would be media. I'm hoping that if I put the link on for each day, then you won't forget, and you can click right on those depending on what day it is. So you do what works for you. I hope, Kinders, that you enjoy the activities that you have to work on for today. And just remember, parents, I am always here for you. You can email, you can seesaw message, you can leave your number, I can give you a call. And I hope everyone has a great week. And my buddy Asher here wants to say hi, everybody. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Say have a good week.
Have a good week.
All right. Bye, friends.